Welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's tutorial video, I'm gonna guide you through how to fix connection error on Snapchat. Whenever you're trying to log into your account, if you ever receive this kind of an error message where it says, please check your connection and try again, this is known as the connection error on Snapchat. In order to fix the error, keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. In order to fix the connection error message on Snapchat, the first thing to do is to make sure that your internet is connected to your device. It is also possible that you are having some internet connection issues so that you are seeing this kind of an error on your display while logging into Snapchat. So go ahead and get connected to a Wi-Fi or a cellular data, or try switching between Wi-Fi or cellular data. Find the network server that works perfect and then get connected to the fastest internet service and move ahead and log into your Snapchat. Once you do that, you should be able to log into your Snapchat right away. But if your internet service is working just fine and that is not the issue, then the next thing to do is to go ahead and make sure that your Snapchat is up to date. Go to your Play Store and tap it on. In the search box, search for Snapchat, and once you make your search, simply go ahead and update your application to the latest version. If you've not updated your application, then you'll be able to see an update button right next to the Snapchat app. If you've already updated the app, you should be able to see the open button. After you update your application to the latest version, there should be no problem logging into your Snapchat account and using it freely. If that still does not work, then the next thing to do is to restart your application. Simply go and find the settings button from your Android device and tap it on. Under the settings menu, search for apps. Give it a tap. On the next page, find Snapchat from the list of the applications that are displayed on the screen and tap it on. On the next page, simply tap on the force stop button in the bottom right corner. In order to force stop the application, tap on the OK button from the pop-up. From the same page, go to Stories and tap it on. From this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the Clear Cache button. Now tap on Clear Data at the bottom left and in the pop-up, select OK. Now what happens is that all of the data of your Snapchat application has been removed. You need to go ahead and tap open the Snapchat app one more time and log into your Snapchat by entering your credentials from the beginning. Once you do that, you should be able to give your application a quick restart and compel it to act like it is being used for the first time on the device. If nothing works out, the last thing to do is simply go to your Snapchat application from the app drawer, press hold to the app, and in the options that pops up, tap on uninstall. Confirm your selection by tapping on OK in order to uninstall the application from the pop-up. Now once you're done with uninstallation, go to your Play Store back again and reinstall your application and your Snapchat should work just fine. Those were some of the fixes that you could try out whenever you're receiving connection error on Snapchat. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.